As a result, of my little accident, I ended up having to buy another splitter, and Johnny from 9 Lives has a new splitter kit, right? So this is my old splitter. These are the old brackets, the old style brackets. Let me show you the new one. I think that's Nick.
You hear K?
Yeah, I hear a case. And that is the new splitter there with the new air dam. So this kit does not bring an instruction manual so far. They told me there, but you can see here some more of the hardware. But we're gonna figure this out, right? All right, guys. So with what they showed me over there, I was looking at some reference pictures. You can see here, it goes a nut, a bolt, and this part, the flatter area, goes facing the front of the car, and the diagonal area goes facing towards the back of the car. So this, let me see if it focuses. You got the Allen and a screwdriver. You can see how this goes inside of this one. This you can't mix it up because this hole is actually bigger than this hole, so you can only put it in this direction. This slide and this slide is for these to slide in. So essentially when you put it like that, you just press down. Get it right. See how it sits? So when you want to pull it off, and the reason they put it where you have to pull forward is because, as they explained, is if any strap or anything comes into the direction of the car, it won't unhook it. Like if you have a piece of metal that would go slide this way, it won't unhook it, and then you are leaving your splitter on the track. So I'm excited to see, because loading this car on the trailer is always a nightmare. It takes a long time to take it off, so I just back it in every time. So this will actually help make it easier. Bro, it's not that tight. So much drama. Alright, so you guys can see here, it's fully assembled. I put some Loctite on there. So the direction, that's gonna be the correct direction. So this is supposed to, from my understanding, is supposed to be inside. Yes, but from the reference, sorry, my English sucks. From the reference pictures, you can see these things are supposed to be facing on the inside. So now I'm gonna bolt them to the splitter itself. So meanwhile we wait, you can see the old brackets are like similar. Well, these brackets are similar to the old brackets. And you can see here that this is gonna go here, and it's gonna attach to whatever adjustment you want, whatever degrees do you want. And that's pretty much the end of it. I don't think there's anything much to it. Like I said, I would finalize these bolts when you have the car here, so you can know the correct distance Other than that, that's pretty much it. God damn, this shit doesn't want to focus right. I like this setup. Hopefully this setup kind of. Oh, one other thing that the old kit didn't have was these strengthening little brackets, because in the past this would stay loose, right? So I added my own stabilizer or reinforcement. This kit actually comes with a pre-made one. You can position it here, and you can attach this to a part of your headlight or anything on the chassis that would reinforce it so it can stabilize it. And I've been told that this new design has a curved edge and it improves downforce. I'm excited to put this on.
When I came back,